Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your price list in flipsnack.com. So creating a professional price list with Flipsnack is pretty straightforward because it has user-friendly design tools and customizable templates. And this is a step-by-step guide to help you craft an engaging price list. So what you need to do is sign up and choose a template first. You can get an account by visiting this page app.flipsnack.com and then just sign in. After that, you'll be asked to sign up. So I already signed up using my Google account. And after that, you can just see this page. You can tap on create from scratch. Here you can just tap on create in here after choosing the size. Okay, so once you open the canvas in the Flipsnack, you can just head to the templates and then search for price list template in here. So you can just use the keyword price list, hit on enter, and you'll find lots of pri- price list templates that you can use. So you can just explore and choose the one that you think fits with your business. For example, I'm going to just use this one. You can click on the template. And after that, you can customize your templates. You can edit the text and images. Let me zoom it in first. Okay, for example, you want to change the item, you can just delete the current tags in here. For example, I'm going to go with bracelet, for example, and here you can delete the images that doesn't fit with your price list and everything. You can also change the price in here. And after that, you can also adjust the color and font. So for example, I'm going to change the font in here. You can just find the one that fits your brand. Okay, I'm going to just to go with this one, and I'm going to change it into my own brand like this. After that, you can also add interactive elements such as image, stickers, or everything. You can also change the background color here if you want to. So after you are finished, you can just click on share now or just tap on download up here. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.